Good morning, I'm Clinton Griffiths. Planting season is underway, but putting actual seed in the ground in the Midwest right now, well, that's another story. Rain, snow, and cooler temperatures have pushed many farmers' plans back, and those delays are continuing to push up prices. Checking the latest corn and soybean planting maps on agweb.com, and you can see where planting is really happening right now. For corn, Texas leading the way at 64% planted, but as you move up through the Midwest, it's much less, with Missouri at only 4%, and nothing recorded right now in the I states. Soybeans, it's much the same story, with the South again leading the way, Louisiana leading the way at 27%. Crop concerns already have traders on edge, adding fuel to the corn prices earlier this week, sending them up over the $8 per bushel mark, the highest price in nearly a decade, and they remained above $8 here at midweek.
It is early, but we've also kind of lost a little bit of that early planting window we've had. We'd like to see it get in sooner than this if we're going to really see that happen. It's been cold and wet. It looks like it's going to continue to be cold and wet next week for much of the Midwest. So we don't really see that early planting is going to be a factor. That tells me that the acres are, hopefully we were going to pick up some acres if they would plant early in the corn, but that doesn't look like it's going to happen. So it looks like the corn acres will stay down and the soybean acres will stay up.
Yeah, that's why we've seen a series of contract highs here in December corn futures. So the planting intentions came in well below what was expected. Now you have these at least semi delays here in April. And so, the market is starting to factor in the potential. And then you look out in the Western Corn Belt and we have drought, especially in the southwestern portion of the Corn Belt. And, it really does bring into question whether we can get to that trend line number that USDA is going to put on it next month in its initial WASDE report for the 22-23 marketing year.